Hello, Chris Merlin here again. In this video, we're going to show you how to update the software in your grandMA2 console. Go to the MA Lighting website and click on Support and Downloads. Under the grandMA2 series section, click on grandMA2 console software. Here you will see the software files and the corresponding software release notes. Download the software release notes first and read them carefully. There may be instructions within relating to your software update that overrules some of the instructions in this video. If there are no special installation instructions, you can then start downloading and installing the software. Before we start this, let's just have a think about when is a good time to update software. If you're in the middle of a long run of shows and everything is working perfectly, then why change it? We at MA work very hard in beta testing to ensure that your software is bug-free and functioning exactly as you expect. However, we cannot test for every possible scenario, and there's always a chance a bug may appear, so updating may not be the best idea in the middle of a show. That being said, new software often brings great new features and advancements, so if it's safe to do so, then we always recommend updating. You will see there are two versions of the software, one for StickMaker and one for Network Update. So which method do you choose? The StickMaker version gives you the option to do a full install. This is where the console is completely formatted and reset to factory defaults. This will delete all your show files, so be careful. The Network Update version is a much quicker and safer way of updating software. It doesn't delete any of your show files, and as the name implies, can be used to update multiple consoles across the network. Don't be fooled by the name, you can also use this version just to update your single console with no network involved. We're going to show you both methods. First, the safe version, the Network Update. Download the grandMA2 software for Network Update and copy the files to the root of a normal USB memory stick. Please note the program StickMaker is not used at any point in this method. Put the USB memory stick into the running console. Press the Setup key and go into Software Update under the Console tab. The top half of your screen should show you your console plus any other devices on the network that are able to be updated. The lower half of the screen will show you what version is available to update your console. Select the devices you want to update in the top half of the screen, then press the Update Devices button. Note, all your devices will need to reboot to apply the new version. They will do this automatically if you leave them to it. That's it, your console is updated. You can also use this method to update MA on PC, MA3D, VPU, and the new range of nodes. As long as the correct software is located in the root of your memory stick and those devices are online on your network, they will appear on the software update screen as well. The other method available is what we call the StickMaker option. For this, you will need to download the StickMaker program and the update image. These can be found on the software page of the MA website. You will also need an empty USB stick to use for this process. Make sure you don't have any files on your stick, as this process will erase everything on the USB stick. Start the program, and in the top green drop-down box, select your USB stick. Next, click on this button to browse to where you've downloaded the grandMA2 for StickMaker software. Then click the Start button. You will be given one last chance to agree to this. Remember, it's going to completely erase your USB stick. Once completed, take the USB stick out of the computer and take it to your console. To do this, your console needs to be off. Put the stick in the console and turn the console on. You will need to enter the boot menu of the console. On most consoles, this involves pressing F8 as the console boots up. It will tell you on the first boot screen which button to press to enter the boot menu. Once in the boot menu, select the USB stick and allow the console to boot from there. You will get a menu pop-up which will give you a number of install options. For a full install, select the third option, Factory Reset. This deletes all shows and update software. The console will then start working through the install process. This will erase all show files, user profiles, and anything you have ever created or saved on your console, so be sure everything is backed up elsewhere before proceeding. You will get one chance to go back, as a warning window will pop up asking you if you are sure before actually formatting the hard drive. After this, you will be asked to confirm installing the new software. Finally, you will be told to remove the USB stick and press OK to reboot. The console will now boot fully into the new software. And there you have a completely clean, freshly installed console. If you have any problems or doubts about this, please contact your local MA distributor. And as always, more information can be found on the MA website, malighting.com.